Hello and welcome to CodeLad. I am Ali and this is the sixth tutorial of HTML series. In this tutorial we're going to talk about HTML tables and lists. So from the name of them you probably know what is a table and a list. A table is a table of course and a list is a list. There is no more explaining than that. So I'm just going to go ahead and open Sublime Text. So this is what we're going to go today. This is a preview of the code. I'm going to just remove all of it and write it again so you can understand it easily. So let's start with creating a table. To create a table, we're going to use table tag, and inside a table we're going to create a row by using tr tag, and inside the tr tag we are going to create a box in which we will write the data. For example, let's say name, and create another box, and let's say telephone, and another one, and let's just say occupation, and I'm quite sure the spellings are wrong, but just forget that. Go over here, open it with browser, and this is your table. Now where are the borders, right? Now to add the borders you have to tell them to add the borders. They're not just gonna magically appear, are they? So just go over here to the table and add an attribute of border, and let's just say 1. This 1 is the thickness of border, which is 1 pixel. So refresh it, and here are your borders. See, now you might be thinking that these borders are a little weird because there are two of them. One is on outside, one is on inside. So to fix that we should go and define a style tag, and here's the style tag, and in there I'm gonna write table, and I'm gonna remove this attribute from here and add the border here, which is border 1 pixel solid, but let's just say black. Go over here, refresh it, and boom, the border is gone. Why is it gone? I did something wrong. I didn't did something wrong. Oh, the table is border is gone. I think I didn't save it. It's no, I saved it. I think this is the problem. You see, just a little space has created a really big problem. So you have to be careful about it. And now you will be saying what the Ali has done now, right? Where is this border gone from inside? There is no border on the inside. Now to add that, we are gonna go over here, add a comma, and write td, which is this table data. Now when we add that, then there will be inside table. Now you will be saying that it looks weird again with two borders, and I said that I'm gonna fix it. So have some patience, man. Write border collapse, shit, border collapse, and write collapse. Okay, and it is gonna collapse the inside border and the outside border in one. You see, it's now in one, but the tables still don't look very good because there is no padding in it. The words are very near to the lines. So just go over here and add some padding, say 5 pixel, right, and refresh it. Here is your padding. Now what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna create another row first. I'm just gonna copy this one, copy, paste it over here. I'm gonna write Ali, and that's not my real number, don't try calling me. Okay, freelancer, great. Now here are two rows now. Okay, now this one is the heading and this is the data, right? So you might be wondering that the heading should be a little different, unique, so people can know that this is a heading. So to do that, change this TD to TH, and TH mean table heading. So it will be a heading now. People will know that it is a heading. Okay, save it, go over here, refresh it. You can see this is a heading. Now you might be wondering where the inner borders go again. That's because we have not defined TH in the style. Add a comma and add TH. Save it, refresh it, and here is your padding and the lines again. Sorry. So there is another thing in tables which is column span and row span. So first of all, what is column span? For example, let's say that I have two occupations. I'm a busy guy, right? I'm also YouTuber. Isn't that great? I'm gonna go over here, refresh it. You can see another box has been added, but there is no heading to that box. But the heading should be occupation. So should I write occupation again over here? No, that would look weird. So to help with that, I'm gonna go in the th of occupation and write call span 2. Call span mean column span. It will spread the column over two boxes. So you can see now it is over both freelancer and YouTuber. Now the same thing can be done with rows. For example, I'm gonna add another row over here, copy this and paste it over here. Now let's just say that there is no name. Let's delete this td, and the Ali has two different information rows of information. So go over here, refresh it, and it looks like this. Everything is weird. There is no way that some person's name is 232751583, right? So to fix that, go in the td of Ali, write row span and 2. Go over here, refresh it. You see now it looks nice and elegant. Great. Now so this is tables. So the next thing is lists. There are two types of list. One is ordered list and the second is unordered list. So in ordered list, everything is numbered, and in unordered list there are no numbers, only some dot or square like that. So let me show you. First of all, I'm gonna create ordered list from OL. I'm gonna write li for list items. I'm gonna create like say 4 of them. Write li some numbers, freelancer, YouTube. Save it. Go over here, refresh. You can see this is ordered list. It is numbered 1 2 3 4. Now there's more to ordered list, but first I'm gonna copy this and create an unordered list. In unordered list, you just have to change OL to UL. Save it, go over here, refresh it. As you can see, this unordered list has been created and it has dots in place of numbers. Now if you say that you don't want 1 2 3 4, or you don't want dots, you want something else in place of it. For example, you want a b c d over here and you want square over here. So how to do that? So in ordered list, you have to go in the tag and write an attribute of type and write, let's say, just a. Save it, go here, refresh, and as you can see it is now a b c d. If you want it in capital, you can just write a in capital over here and it will be like this. And in unordered list, you have to go in the style tag, define ul and write list style type, and let's say square. Save it, go over here, refresh it, and it is now in a square. Now you must have seen navigation bars in many websites. They are created using the unordered list or ordered list. Mostly use unordered list. how to convert our list into a navigation bar. First of all, let me show you what a navigation bar is so you can understand. I'm gonna go to Apple website, apple.com, and as you can see, this over here on the top with black background, this is a navigation bar, and they have used a list tag to create this navigation bar. So how to do that, I'm just gonna show you the basic of this is in vertical, how to convert it in horizontal, add some paddings. The rest of styling I'm gonna show you in the CSS tutorials. So to do that, first of all you have to add the display inline, and then you're gonna do ul li and make its display inline block. Save it, go over here, refresh it. You can see it is now in horizontal. Now you can just add some padding to it, say 5 pixel, and add a background color of red. Refresh it, you can see it is now in a type of navigation. You can add links over here and style it as you want. So this is it for today, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. I'll see you next time. Have a good one.